85% of people have experienced some form of acne in their life, from blackheads, pustules, whiteheads, and cystic bumps. In fact, the number of people who get adult acne from ages 25 onwards has gone up. So you may be wondering, with a variety of skincare products on the market today, what products are suitable to reduce the redness, breakouts, and excess oil flow associated with acne. In this video, we share the perfect skincare routine from Paula's Choice suited to address and control oily acne skin. We take a deep dive into skin science and how each product works at reducing acne. And at the end of the video, we reveal how to layer each product we mention in this video and what order to use them in, so make sure to keep watching. Paula's Choice Skincare has safe products backed by scientific research. They educate their customers, and their skincare delivers results with active ingredients in stable pH levels. So the first skincare product from Paula's Choice we recommend you start your acne-free skin journey with is the Skin Balancing Oil Reducing Cleanser. This cleanser is a concentrated cream texture to foam and is gentle enough to remove excess oil, sweat and dirt from the day without stripping your skin like many foam cleansers on the market do. The gentle foaming formula also works to improve the appearance of enlarged, congested pores, which can be associated with excess oil flow. The cleanser contains aloe vera and glycerin that is soothing and prevents skin dehydration. It's important that the skin stays well hydrated to prevent further irritation or dehydration. How to use. If needed in the morning, apply a small amount of cleanser with warm water to your face and eye area and gentle circular motions for a minute or so. It's important in the evening that you do a double cleanse prior to applying serums and moisturizer. Paula's Choice Skin Balancing Oil Reducing Cleanser retails for $32 Australian. The next Paula's Choice skincare product, great for helping with acne, is their Skin Balancing Pore Reducing Toner. Now, if you love a lotion to apply after cleansing, then this lightweight toner will balance your oily skin, minimize enlarged pores, and provide light hydration. Unlike some toners that are filled with drying alcohols, Paula's Choice Pore Reducing Toner contains niacinamide, chamomile, and ceramides to restore moisture levels, balance oil flow, reduce redness or inflammation seen with pustules. How to use. Apply to face, neck, and décolletage after cleansing, and apply your serum straight after for best results. Use morning and evening every day. The Skin Balancing Pore Reducing Toner retails for $32 Australian. The next Paula's Choice skincare product for reducing acne is their Niacinamide 10% Booster. Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, is a multitasker skincare ingredient that works at regulating oil flow by boosting fatty acids within the skin. Often when you have acne or breakouts, you have an overproduction of oil flow and acne bacteria feeds on the oil. Your skin sends immune cells to fight the infection within the skin, causing inflammation and redness. Niacinamide is also an anti-inflammatory ingredient, perfect to reduce redness within the skin. It's also a tyrosinase inhibitor, which means it prevents overproduction of pigment forming within the skin, reducing the chances of hyperpigmentation scarring from breakouts. This Niacinamide 10% Booster also contains licorice root, an antioxidant great for fading dark spots from acne. How to use. Paula's Choice Niacinamide 10% Booster is lightweight and applies on the skin as a serum underneath your moisturizer. It can be used morning and or in the evening. This booster retails for $70 Australian. Let us know in the comments below what skincare product you are looking at trying from the Paula's Choice skincare range. The next ingredient from Paula's Choice to add to your acne skincare routine is their Retinol 1% Booster. Retinol, also known as vitamin A, is a targeted night treatment to help with skin renewal and can affect DNA change within the cells, so this is amazing to treat acne. Vitamin A is best to use at nighttime when our skin goes into repair mode and is able to correct any damage occurring within the cell. So when vitamin A penetrates into a cell, it works at correcting any damage, and then that cell can go off and function properly as it should be. When you first begin to use vitamin A on the skin, it works on the top layer of the epidermis, the stratum corneum. It works at speeding up cell turnover and removing any dead skin cells that aren't meant to be there anymore. So it's normal for your skin to go through a phase of being dry and flaky, known as skin purging, which is completely normal when you start using retinol. Once it goes through this phase, the skin becomes a lot more smoother and softer, and your other active ingredients can penetrate deeper into the skin to alive cells. Vitamin A travels down the top layer of the skin and interacts with the melanocytes, which create pigment within the skin. You see, when these melanocytes are damaged, they can produce excess pigment in the skin, giving our skin excess hyperpigmentation or post-inflammatory scarring, which can occur with acne. Vitamin A, retinol, will work at correcting and balancing the melanocyte so it's functioning normally, reducing the chance of post-inflammatory scarring from your breakouts. How to use. Paula's Choice Retinol 1% Booster is encapsulated and releases slowly into the skin. Apply 1 to 2 pumps underneath your moisturizer in the evening. This booster retails for $79 Australian dollars. The next Paula's Choice skincare product to include in your acne skincare routine is their 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. BHA stands for beta hydroxy acid, and this exfoliant is Paula's Choice #1 bestseller. The beta hydroxy acid within this serum is salicylic acid and is a perfect skin ingredient for oily skin types who struggle with blackheads, blemishes, or acne, due to the fact that it exfoliates the skin by dissolving the bonds that hold the dead skin cells to the skin's surface. Salicylic acid is oil soluble, so it's able to penetrate the pore and exfoliate from the inside out. It helps stimulate cell turnover and improve the skin texture whilst regulating excess oil production. In addition, salicylic acid's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties help fight inflammation and post-inflammatory pigmentation in the skin, common with acne. Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant also contains green tea, which is an antioxidant that helps minimize irritation associated with acne and improves sun damage. How to use. Apply to your face, neck and décolletage with your hands or with a cotton pad. At first, use 2 times per week and notice your skin's response. The 2% BHA booster can be used during the morning or the evening, but if it's used in the morning, follow with sunscreen. This BHA liquid exfoliant retails for $45 Australian dollars. Next, we have Paula's Choice Clear Oil-Free Moisturizer, and this is perfect for acne oily skin types. It's a weightless, oil-free moisturizer that doesn't clog the pores or cause breakouts. This moisturizer from Paula's Choice contains 0.5% niacinamide, licorice root, and ceramides to increase hydration within the skin, regulate the oil flow, and reduce inflammation. It's non-greasy and absorbs perfectly into your skin. How to use. Apply in the morning and the evening after cleansing, serums, but before your sunscreen. Paula's Choice Clear Oil-Free Moisturizer retails for $42 Australian dollars. Finally, sunscreen is important for everyone, including those who suffer from acne. We recommend Paula's Choice Resist Super Light Wrinkle Defense SPF 30, a sheer tinted moisturizer with mineral SPF protection packed full of antioxidants. This sunscreen contains zinc oxide that reflects UV rays from being absorbed into the skin. Zinc oxide is also anti-inflammatory and healing, perfect for sensitive and acne skin types. With a light tint that warms to your skin tone, it evens out your skin tone, giving you a beautiful glow. This defense sunscreen is non-greasy and contains bisabolol and willow bark extract to help alleviate redness, and also contains an antioxidant blend of resveratrol and plant extracts to protect your skin against free radical damage. How to use. Use this sunscreen as the last step in your morning routine. Apply to your face, neck, ears, and blend. You can wear this underneath your makeup or just wear it on its own. Reapply every 2 hours if you're in direct sunlight. Paula's Choice Super Light Wrinkle Defense SPF 30 retails for $49 Australian. Now, if you are ready to try these skincare products from Paula's Choice, here are our recommendations on correct use and layering techniques. In the morning, use the following. Number 1, your oil reducing cleanser, followed by your pore reducing toner. Now, your toner is optional. If you prefer not using a toner, that is absolutely fine. You just skip that step. Next, you're going to use your niacinamide 10% booster, followed by your clear oil-free moisturizer and your Defense SPF 30. In the evening, for the following nights, night 1 and 2, you're going to cleanse your skin twice, use your pore reducing toner, apply your retinol 1% booster, and your clear oil-free moisturizer. In the evening for night 3, you're going to double cleanse with the oil reducing cleanser, followed by the pore reducing toner and your 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. Finish with your clear oil-free moisturizer. Now, you can repeat the night routine sequence, or if you feel you need a recovery night, substitute one of the retinol nights for niacinamide 10% booster. As always, it's important to follow the product and usage directions on the labels. And just remember, less is more. If you're interested in learning more about skincare products for acne or breakouts, then check out this video here about the top 7 products from The Ordinary for acne skin.